awesome product, and this is a super unique opportunity to come out in the middle of the school year and do this PD, and it's gonna be so much fun. Like, can't even believe how much fun y'all are gonna have. I'm kind of jealous.
I've got 2 aunts, an uncle, and a daughter that are all teachers, so I have a lot of insight into how difficult the last 2 years have been and how tiring it's been for everybody. I also know, because we've been doing these PD programs throughout the country, how energized the teachers are afterwards. And I encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity so that you can get that same experience.
Well, it's a pretty unique opportunity, and when an opportunity like this arises, you can't miss out. The concepts you're going to learn are going to translate to real life skills.
You need to learn Python. Python is a magical language that every one of your students is going to use at some point in their lives. And you need to teach it to them, so you need to know it. And it's super easy. It's the easiest language in the world to learn. And once you know it and you teach it to your kids, they are going to go out and change the world.
We're going to have a good time. You guys it's not going to be all stuffy. We're going to teach you some real world stuff that you can bring back to the classroom, and your kids are ready for it, and you are ready for it. So be courageous, jump out here, learn some coding, and have some fun with us.
We've come up with a great event for March 14th, and we do hope that you'll go ahead and take that leap. Come spend a day with us. You'll be challenged, but you'll have fun, and you'll get to experience some things that you probably didn't know that you could experience, and I know that you'll go away encouraged. So come spend time with us.